Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. Before we dive into the actual video, I just want to showcase the merch I launched about a month ago. Probably saw me promoting it all through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It's just basic merch with the logo on the front. I'll put some images at the back of the video after the video, and I'll put the link right below on the screen, and I'll put it at the end of the video as well, and also in the description below. So please support the channel. Now, one thing you might have saw me, hats. Let me know what you think about hats, if you guys would purchase hats, if you guys would rock them. Oh, you see my cat, one of them, decided to photobomb me. Now, one thing I do want to get into, so here's the merch. You see the big logo, move the cross out of the way. It's very comfortable. These do come pre-shrunk cotton. Basically, let me know what you think in the comments below of this video. If you want me to do a similar video with the Huracan, obviously better quality because it won't be shot on a BlackBerry. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, crush that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, Twitter. All the links are in the description below, and please turn on that notification bell in the corner so you know when there's a video.
Give it. Oh, this fucker's in front of you. What gear are you in? Did you hit 200? Huh? 211. Real?
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to crush that subscribe button. To watch more videos from Crushin Gears, click that video in your top right corner. Free giveaway at every 1,000 subscribers.
If you feeling so lit and don't care, shorty beat in her face in the mirror, up in the air. I want you to jump like you trying to get stuck in the air.